In today's fast-paced digital world, businesses need a competitive edge to stay ahead. ONPASSIVE offers this edge through its innovative solutions. It's an AI-powered platform meticulously designed to transform businesses from the ground up. With a comprehensive suite of powerful tools, ONPASSIVE empowers businesses to thrive and excel in the competitive online world. ONPASSIVE's mission is clear and ambitious: to make success accessible to everyone regardless of their size or industry. It achieves this by providing a range of innovative tools and resources that cater to various business needs. These tools automate mundane tasks, enhance marketing efforts, and streamline operations, allowing businesses to focus on growth and innovation. ONPASSIVE is a truly global platform, reaching and supporting businesses in over 190 countries around the world. At the heart of ONPASSIVE is its unwavering commitment to its users, ensuring they have the support they need. The platform offers comprehensive support and training programs to help users get the most out of its tools. This ensures that users can maximize the benefits of its tools and achieve their business goals efficiently. ONPASSIVE is more than just a platform, it's a dedicated partner in your journey to success, providing the tools and support you need to thrive. But before we jump in, please remember to subscribe, like, and comment below. Thanks. Comment below. One common challenge for new ONPASSIVE users is mastering the diverse range of tools available on the platform. The platform offers a solution for every business need, from marketing to customer management. This can feel overwhelming at first, especially when faced with so many options. It's natural to feel unsure where to begin, but don't worry. The key to overcoming this challenge is to take a structured approach. Start by identifying your immediate business needs. Begin by familiarizing yourself with the core tools that are essential for your operations. These include tools for email marketing, website building, and customer relationship management, which are fundamental for most businesses. ONPASSIVE provides detailed training materials and tutorials for each tool, making it easier to learn and implement them effectively. Don't hesitate to reach out to ONPASSIVE's support team if you encounter any issues or have questions. They are available 24/7 to answer questions and provide guidance, ensuring you never feel stuck. Remember, mastering ONPASSIVE's tools is a journey, not a race. Take your time and you'll gradually become proficient. Many businesses already have existing systems and processes in place. Integrating ONPASSIVE with these systems can seem daunting. This is a valid concern. Compatibility and data migration are crucial considerations. The good news is ONPASSIVE is designed for seamless integration. The platform offers APIs and integrations with popular business software. This ensures a smooth transition and prevents data silos. It's important to plan the integration carefully. Start by identifying the key systems you want to integrate. Then, consult ONPASSIVE's documentation or support team for guidance. With a strategic approach, you can leverage the power of ONPASSIVE without disrupting your existing workflows. Section 4. Challenge 3. Managing expectations and measuring success. When starting with ONPASSIVE, it's essential to have realistic expectations. Understand that success doesn't come overnight. Like any business endeavor, success takes time and effort. Don't expect overnight miracles. It requires dedication, hard work, and a strategic approach. Instead, focus on building a solid foundation for long-term growth. This means investing time in planning and setting up the right processes. Define clear and measurable goals for your business. These goals should be specific, achievable, and aligned with your overall vision. Align these goals with ONPASSIVE's tools and features. Utilize the platform's capabilities to streamline your operations and enhance productivity. Track your progress regularly and analyze the data. Monitoring your performance helps you stay on course and make informed decisions. This will help you identify what's working and where adjustments are needed. Being adaptable and responsive to change is crucial. Remember, ONPASSIVE provides you with the tools, but you are the driver of your success. Your commitment and perseverance are key. Stay committed to your goals, be patient, and never stop learning. Continuous improvement and learning will pave the way to your success. Section 5. Conclusion. Embracing the ONPASSIVE journey. Embarking on the ONPASSIVE journey is an exciting step towards business growth. Like any journey, it comes with its own set of challenges. But with the right mindset and approach, these challenges can be overcome. Remember, ONPASSIVE is more than just a platform, it's a partner in your success. By embracing the learning process, leveraging the available resources, and staying focused on your goals, you can harness the full potential of ONPASSIVE. The future of business is here, and it's powered by AI. Are you ready to take the leap? For more information about ONPASSIVE, please go to the description below. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day.